Right now, I'm at Heritage Park, where this arena has been turned into a shelter. If you take a look, you can see all the cots set up so people can sleep over here. And then that's the private area. But over there, you could see all those tables are set up so people can have meals. They actually have meals 3 times a day. Of course, many only came with the shirts on their back.
I lost everything.
Good Samaritan Village residents arrived by bus after being flooded out of their homes.
It's been a nightmare, basically.
Donna Mosley says this is the 3rd shelter they've been to.
We had to move out of the first one because it was an elementary school. Now they just moved us from the Civic Center.
Edwin Sharon says there's no way back home where people were rescued by the National Guard and airboats.
Good Samaritan Village is flooded up to the max.
Currently, the American Red Cross has 50 people staying here at the Osceola Heritage Park shelter. The Kissimmee Civic Center is at capacity.
We're going to have shelters open here until they're not needed anymore.
It's very clean, it's quiet.
After going inside, they immediately feel a relaxing vibe. Donna walks in with a new air mattress and bedding donated from the people she works with.
Orange County Corrections, they came yesterday and took me shopping. I'm very blessed that they're helping me.
And Edwin was able to find something in the donation section.
I got some new hats, and I just took a bag of pants and some shirts.
So despite losing everything in this retirement community, it's incredible that they're still able to count their blessings.
Believe in God, and anything is possible. Accept things you cannot change and be grateful.
And there's plenty of room here at Heritage Park for people who need a place to stay. In Kissimmee, Valerie Boy, Fox 35 News.